Hi viewers, welcome to Home Style Cooking with me, Chutney. I don't know about you all, but sometimes I struggle to cook with some particular vegetables, and zucchini is one of them. I've finally figured out a new dish using zucchini. So today's recipe would be with zucchini. I'll be showing you how to make zucchini chutney, which is very good with dosas, idlis, and even hot rice. So with no further wait, let's get cooking. Firstly, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of urad dal. Next, I'll be adding 2 dried red chili. I'll be adding 2 garlic cloves. I'll be adding tamarind. I've just taken a small piece of tamarind. Next, I'll be adding shredded coconut. Try not to burn this. Keep doing this on low flame. Next, I'll be adding mint leaves. Next, I'll be adding a cup of zucchini. I've taken 1 zucchini and I've cut it into small pieces. Roasting for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add another 2 teaspoons of oil. Now after 5 minutes, I've turned up the stove, and to this, I'll be adding a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm just going to let this cool down for a bit, and I'm going to grind this. I added a cup of water to the mixture, and this is how it looks after it's been grinded. Now for the tempering of the chutney, I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is heated up, I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Next, a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, a few curry leaves. Next, I'll be adding this to the chutney. There we go viewers, this is how you make zucchini chutney. I'm so happy that I actually found out a recipe to make with zucchini. I hope you are too. Let me know what you think by commenting below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Home Style Cooking. For more exciting videos, stay tuned. Until then, this is Chutney signing off.